Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'm going to show you the color grading tutorial on CapCut that will look like this. So here will be the final result for my color grading that I'm going to show you in this video like this, and here is the tutorial. So I'm going to just go back and start a new project. Okay, I'm going to edit this video right here. So first, after you import the video, you need to go to filter, and then under the live category find the salt filter, this one's right here, and adjust it into 85 like that. Click on the check icon and then go to adjust here and set the brightness into -5 and the exposure into -9, and then the thumbs right here into -4, and then next click on the HSL, this one's right here, and then set the orange saturation, this orange here, into -48 like this. 48. Okay, and then click on the green one and set the hue into -9, and the saturation -27. It's so hard. Okay, and the luminance into -30, around 33 or 32 like this, and you're done. Click on the check icon, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's the color grading tutorial on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.